Hello student, let's solve question number 6. Question number 6 is Rita goes 20 km towards the east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her the final position from A? In this question again we have to find the two answers. First one is how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? So let's solve this example through diagram. So let's start the answer. First draw the real line. Suppose this is the real line. Consider point A as the center of this real line. Here consider this side is the east, this side is the west, and point A is the center of this real line. Consider point B. So first sentence is Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east from point A to the point B. So this is the east side, so obviously we have to consider point B is here. So distance is from A to B, the distance is 20 kilometers. Now the next sentence is from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards the west along the same road. This is the west side. She moves B to the point C. So consider point C is here. So this is the point C. So distance between B and C is 30 kilometers. So this is the distance between the point B and point C. Now we know that A is the center of this real line. So we know that in real line, right hand side of the center is always positive and left hand side of the center is always negative. Or here given that also distance towards the east is represented by the positive integer. That means right hand side of the point A is positive integer. So this is the positive integer. So left hand side is negative. So that means distance towards the west is represented by negative integer. So this is the answer of question number first. That means distance traveled towards west is represented by a negative integer. Now let's find the distance from A to point C. So that means we have to find the final position. So distance between, we have to find the distance between A and C. So here given that distance between B and A, that is a 20, and distance between B and C is 30. So that's why we know that first number is positive, next one is negative. That means subtraction. So here answer is 30 minus 20, answer is 10. But 30 is the greater number and the 30 has negative sign. That's why the final answer has the negative. That means final answer is minus 10. So this is the answer of question number 6. You can also verify this because this is a point A and towards the left hand side of the real line or integers, that is always negative. So that's why the answer is minus 10. So this is the answer of question number 6.